Thanks so much, Kara. Hi, everyone, and welcome. So I'm Cindy, and I'm a gang member. Yeah, that's right. So Kara told you a bit about the gang. Let me just highlight a few things. What we're really known for, yes, we're scaled Agile framework um, experts, but especially for lean systems engineering, we help a lot of system engineering companies with, model-based system engineering, as well as scaled Agile framework in a hardware plus software environment. I personally have expertise, as Kara said, in urban code deploy and DevOps. I can talk to you about how DevOps and SAFe are integral to one another, the Jazz reporting service, etc. So today we're going to talk about something that we've developed expertise in by virtue of what we've worked on recently with customer, and that's product line management using collaborative lifecycle management. So product lines are everywhere, from cars to beers to candy and even diapers. Every manufacturer of things has product lines. I challenge you to think of a company that makes a single product and doesn't have product lines. You probably have it in your domain, even if you just develop software. So, product line engineering is the discipline of engineering all the variations of the items that make up a product set. The challenge in software is just too darn easy to replicate and modify the entire set of code for a product line or a component in order to get a variant. And that ties our hands with respect to getting this improvement in time to market cost and quality. When I was the development manager for a tool called Paradigm Plus, do you remember it? We had 17 versions of the code base. We had variants for different operating systems and languages, to name a few reasons. And to test and release that new functionality was really horrific. We did eventually re-architect to improve the situation, but you have to ask yourself, how do you get into that situation? So you know exactly how you do. If there's a big product sale contingent on your having, say, a Japanese version on OS 2, then you replicate and you modify to get it done. Yeah, I lived through that nightmare. So the more copy and modify you do, the more impossible it becomes to determine the commonalities and the differences that enable you to even re-architect and reuse. So today we'll talk about how to effectively manage reuse across product lines. Our example here, the Jet Screamer, is built on the same concepts exactly as one of our customers. But due to the highly classified nature of their work, we have crafted this example. So in our example, our company is called Jet Screamer. Do you know that reference from the Jetsons? Look it up. You'll be amused. But so in our example enterprise, we're going to build personal spacecraft, and we have 3 different models. The one near Earth model allows you to fly at basically the same altitude as commercial airlines. The low Earth model allows you to fly up to geosynchronous orbit, or where most communication and broadcast satellites orbit. And our future model, called Beyond Earth, lets you wave to the Chinese on their way to Mars. Notice the note, not to scale.